바다 위에 떠있는 한 남자. 대체 무슨 일이 있었던 걸까요?
Josh?
Oh, Josh McGuire. I've heard all about you.
Sweet.
미지의 세계를 탐험하러 온 듯한 사람들.
Primeval wilderness. 딴딴따라라라딴.
이들이 탐험하려는 곳은 바로 한 동굴이었죠.
You and Flush. Oh, bloody Josh. All good, Frank? Yeah, I'm fine.
Where's Liz? She's still decompressing.
Off you go, Virgil.
George, I'm fine.
A while since you saw daylight.
17 days.
동굴 안 잠수부들은 제대로 된 휴식도 못하고 있었고
Carl, you're back.
Why is that gear coming up?
There's a big storm building. Said to haul out whatever gear we're not using.
Hey, Jim, this cave's not gonna beat me.
Here.
원주민 마을을 둘러보는 빅토리아.
Victoria, she's new, so give her the grand tour.
Hey.
The largest unexplored cave system in the million years of rainwater dissolving its way to the sea, which is, of course, why we're here.
You must have found a way through, huh?
Well, you can ask me after the dive.
Yeah, don't pull that salty shit on me, Frank. We're running out of...
사업가 칼은 잠수부 프랭크에게 무리한 조사를 강요하죠.
No
I
expense.
guess the cave doesn't own that car.
Frank! Because your ass is so tight.
When you fart, only dogs can hear it.
Could you put Josh on?
조시와 프랭크는 부자관계였고
All right, we rely on you to do your job.
Job is something you choose to do, something you get paid.
I want you to stay here.
No. No one dives alone. Let's go, JD.
Jude, I'm serious.
동굴 안으로 들어가는 세 사람.
I met her on my Everest expedition.
She's even crazier than you are.
I'm gonna marry her one day.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
Son of a bitch.
그 시각 잠수가 시작되고
I've been dragged along on these stupid expeditions all my life.
What you got there, Frank?
I haven't done this for a while.
He's going in without bail.
He's keen.
탄소 튜브를 빼버리는 프랭크.
My hose is caught.
Stay cool.
그렇게 두 사람은 새로운 공간을 발견하죠.
Did it. He finally fucking did it.
It's the beginning of time. No human being has ever seen. There'll be a whole new cave system up there. You got a bit of a leak. Take a look.
What do you mean? Where?
그때 카운티의 장비에 문제가 생기고
Stay with me. Let me take a look.
Got no bailout.
Stay calm. Mask off.
프랭크는 자신의 마스크를 카운티에게 씌워주려는데 마스크의 사이즈가 맞지 않았죠. 카운티는 프랭크를 일부러 밀어내고 결국 그녀는 사망하고 말죠.
See? Fucking yanked so much away from her.
See it that way, Josh.
그런데 조씨는 프랭크가 카운티를 죽였다고 생각하고
Him or her, Josh, this was about there being one body down there or two.
No.
Does somebody want to give me a hand here?
부자 사이의 골은 깊어져만 가죠. 그때 폭풍이 다가오고
If you can hear me, the storm is right on top of us. Damn it, Frank, pick up.
You got through to Jim on the surface yet?
Yeah, the comms are down.
바깥 상황을 모르는 사람들.
Jude's knew the risks better than anyone.
You drag everyone along on your big dream.
Bailout tanks you were supposed to bring down. I had to climb back up and get them. Maybe that didn't make any difference. Think about that.
폭풍은 심해지기 시작하고
Stop
What the hell was that?
We better keep moving.
Wonder where it leads. We could always go and check it out first thing in the morning. Just you and me, Frank. What do you say?
Let's get up there. Space. It is returning.
Forward base, Dad! Dad!
Your face, do you copy? You can. Service. Is that you? Jim! Jim! Where's Junction 3? What's going on? Gotta pull the team out now. Storm is turned into a cyclone.
마침내 바깥 상황을 알게 된 조씨.
Breaking the flow. We have to get out of here. Now. Where's Carl?
분위기 파악 못하는 칼.
Man, that was great.
그렇게 이들도 탈출하기 시작하고
What's your sound? Dad? What the fuck are you doing here?
프랭키에게 다시 돌아온 조씨. 결국 첫 번째 희생자가 등장하죠.
You did everything you could, all right? Get back down to forward base. Anything you see that's useful.
생필품들을 챙기는 이들.
You stay on the guideline. Don't let go of it. I'll monitor your PPO too.
I get it.
그렇게 이들은 좁은 공간을 통과해야만 했는데 벽에 끼어버린 빅토리아. 마침내 빅토리아도 통과에 성공하죠. 엄청난 규모의 동굴.
Where's Carl? Get the space blanket.
Yeah, here comes.
Okay, I got it. Alright, if we run out of light, we run out of time. Conserve your batteries.
Can't feel my feet.
팀원들이 하나둘 지쳐가고
We follow the river and get to the ocean.
계속 뒤처지는 조지.
He's a hell of a fella, your old man. Hold this thing for me a little while. Need to catch my breath. Go on.
조지는 조씨를 먼저 보내는데
How are you holding up?
Where's George?
He's back there somewhere, taking a break.
George!
조지는 잠수병에 걸려 사망하고 말죠.
He's gone.
I'm sorry, Frank.
절벽에 도착한 이들.
There's a ledge below us. You got a cam in there.
It's pretty tricky. You should let me do it.
Absolutely not.
Son is the best climber we have.
그렇게 조씨의 암벽 등반이 시작되죠. 그런데 그때
Try not to move! What's going on? Out in the rack! Jesus Christ!
I'm gonna cut my hand free!
No! Don't use your knife!
결국 빅토리아는 떨어지고 말죠.
I don't want to die, Dad.
It's alright. I'm sorry.
다시 발걸음을 움직이는 세 사람. 그때 칼이 혼자 도망치고
Carl's taking the rebreather! What's he doing? He's not gonna come back.
칼을 뒤쫓는 프랭크.
Dad.
결국 프랭크는 칼을 붙잡는데 실패하죠.
So what do we do now?
I don't know.
What's wrong with you?
You remind me of me.
Shit. Bat shit.
guessing the bats didn't swim down.
새로운 통로를 발견한 두 사람. 두 사람은 겨우 고비를 넘기고
Rest up.
Dad, I can see you.
드디어 태양빛을 발견한 두 사람.
Well, we're not climbing out of here.
Japanese. They're all over this place during the war.
그렇게 두 사람은 불을 피운 뒤 다시 발걸음을 옮기죠.
Hey, Dad, I found the river.
Lost my grip.
Be more careful.
그런데 칼이 이곳에 먼저 와 있었고
Josh, Frank, hey, you guys.
Oh, thank God. What the hell were you thinking?
I was gonna come back for you guys. I would have come back.
Josh, I'm sorry, buddy. I messed up, you know? I'm sorry.
Josh, let's go.
Wait, what? Oh, no, you're not gonna leave me here.
You can do whatever you like.
Well, fuck you, Frank.
두 사람은 칼을 버리려는데 갑자기 프랭크를 공격하는 칼. 그렇게 프랭크는 치명상을 입고 칼을 제압하는 조시.
Follow the river. It'll lead you out.
He killed Victoria, Josh.
You take one step, fucking kill you.
그렇게 칼은 다시 홀로 떠나고
Let's not listen to it. All right.
Dad, I'm not leaving you here.
I'm so proud of you, Josh.
불까지 꺼져버리는데 결국 사망해버린 프랭크. 칼은 이미 익사해버렸고 막혀버린 천장에 조씨는 기절해버리는데
Josh, time to go.
다시 깨어난 조씨는 새로운 출구를 찾는 데 성공하죠. 마침내 물 위로 올라온 조씨. 지금까지 영화 생텀이었습니다. 시리아 타르투스 지방의 어느 해안, 프랑스 해군의 잠수함 티타남이 지상의 특수부대 요원들을 구출하기 위한 임무를 수행 중이었죠.
Fatigué, Chaussette?
J'entraîne. Merci.
Sur la fréquence des nageurs de combat.
그때 티타남의 음향 탐지사 샹트레드가 근처에 이란의 구축함이 있음을 포착하고
Frégate, dans le 1-5, l'œil modifié.
Donc russe.
7 pales. Donc non, pas russe, c'est iranienne. Le Zoroastre. Faut se méfier niveau détection.
Aucun ordre de récupérer des lumières à côté d'une Iranienne. Ça peut plaire.
TVSA.
Attention, attention, on prend une trace vidéo.
심지어 근처에 잠수함의 소리도 포착되죠.
Très faible, évanescent. Transitoire, je l'ai aussi, mais pour moi c'est du biologique.
Pas de poésie. C'est un cachalot, c'est pas un cachalot. Mais classifie-nous ce truc. Il y a quelque chose ou il y a rien.
Suis ton intuition.
그 사이 위기에 처한 특수부대.
Ok, c'est pas un sous-marin.
Bien, non-sub, on peut y aller.
샹트레드는 생전 처음 듣는 소리에 잠수함이 아닐 것이라 판단하는데
Un battement de pale. Cavitation glou. Du coup, je sais que c'est difficile à croire, mais je penche pour le cougar russe.
Un cachalot malade et puis maintenant c'est le bébé cougar.
결국 위치를 들켰음을 뜻하는 울프콜이 들리고
C'est l'iranienne. Elle nous a détecté second.
Au poste de combat. Allez, messieurs. Au poste de combat. Au poste de combat.
C'est quoi ça? Ton dos à l'envers.
적군의 헬기까지 이륙해버리죠.
L'hélicoptère va pas nous lâcher, là, faut dérober.
Sonar trompé, il regarde notre position. 3 splash au sonar.
다행히도 큰 피해는 없었고
Centrale, bilan des avaries, est-ce qu'on a les appareils d'alerte? Ils marchent, RPG. Second, je prends la manœuvre. Moteur avant 6, barre tout à monter, attention. On monte.
티타남은 바다 위로 부상하는데 크랑샹 함장이 직접 헬기를 격추하려는 것이었죠. 그렇게 작전이 마무리되고 한편 러시아가 핀란드를 침공하면서 국제 정세가 뒤바뀌고 있었고
C'est-à-dire un sous-marin nucléaire lanceur d'engins à l'eau. Messieurs, vous pouvez annuler les bûches. Et que vous avez accompli ensemble un acte d'une arme à l'époque quand je commandais le Titan, j'aurais fait la... Donc, de sous-marin nucléaire lanceur d'engins.
크랑샹은 핵 잠수함의 함장으로 승진하죠.
Dorsey, c'est commandant du Titan.
À vos ordres, amiral.
Très bien.
샹트레드는 처음 들었던 소리의 정체를 알아내고 있었는데
Pas mon domaine. Il faudrait revenir demain voir avec mon collègue.
C'est vous qui cherchez un livre?
우연의 인생의 동반자를 만나게 되죠.
Diane, le libraire? Mais je peux revenir plus tard.
Si, pardon, oui.
Alors, je l'ai en base de données. Le lac ne peut pas vous le trouver à la minute. Vous pouvez repasser demain matin?
À quelle heure? Ce soir?
Mais pourquoi on est vous sur les...
C'est pour analyser un son.
Ah, vous êtes musicien?
Analyste en guerre acoustique.
C'est dangereux.
Identification des manifestations acoustiques.
Vous avez l'oreille absolue?
Sonar russe, basse fréquence. Et 5 dauphins, pour 2 bébés.
Chantrelle, vous êtes confirmé. Embarquement demain à 4h.
핵 잠수함 승선 테스트에 합격한 샹트레드.
Fixe, équipage du Titan rouge rassemblé complet. Bienvenue à bord.
그런데
Le médecin a trouvé du cannabis dans tes analyses. T'as déclaré inapte. Je reviendrai pas là-dessus. Comptez dans la capacité de chacun à fonctionner à son...
샹트레드는 애연가 여자친구의 간접 흡연으로 실직 위기에 놓이고 말죠. 그때 비상 상황이 발생하고
Un missile nucléaire R-30 tiré depuis la mer de Bering.
Élysée.
Sans procédure, immédiat. Plus que 25 minutes.
Satellite de l'OTAN confirme le point d'impact dans le terrain.
Vous parlé avec les Américains?
Oui, c'est russe à 100%. Russe envoie des signaux pour dire que c'est pas eux.
Toujours détesté le Waltrap.
Je viens d'avoir un message du Saphir en mer de Bering.
Comme Syrah avec ses oreilles, là.
Amiral.
Chaussettes, qu'est-ce que vous... C'est pas l'heure du joint? Prenez place. Écoutez-moi ça, allez.
Je t'envoie l'enregistrement du sous-marin et du tir.
얼떨결에 재취업에 성공한 샹트레드.
Ouais, c'est bien le Timor 3.
Transmettez l'information au chef d'état-major des armées.
Réception de 2 messages flash pour le commandant et le... Attention, message surchiffré.
핵 잠수함도 이 소식을 듣게 되고
Initiale d'interception balistique. 7, 6, 1. Échec de la destruction du missile R-30.
그때 샹트레드가 새로운 가설을 제시하죠.
Le largage du premier étage du missile n'est pas conforme.
Il a raison.
Pas de tête nucléaire dans le missile.
On aurait l'accord.
Venez. Tour du président au PC Jupiter.
Ici le commandant. Une attaque majeure est en cours sur le sol français. Me commande d'effectuer une frappe en riposte.
Mon général, un de mes sous-marins a entendu qu'il n'y a pas de charge nucléaire à l'intérieur du missile. Mon général?
Voilà ce que vient de me dire l'Américain. Un transfert de fonds a eu lieu sur le compte d'un anciennement en charge de la flotte du Pacifique. Elle le savait, ils avaient oublié de nous le dire.
Le Timor 3 est aux mains de djihadistes.
Pas de charge nucléaire dans le missile. Et nous on a riposté.
Ils sont en train de déclencher une guerre nucléaire.
심각하게 꼬여버린 상황.
À partir de maintenant, notre seule priorité... Nous ensemble un tournant l'humanitaire. Tous êtes formés pour cette situation. Devoir, votre devoir.
결국 이들은 직접 잠수함으로 향하고
Des chaussures normales un jour comme aujourd'hui? Missile R-30 tombé dans la forêt de Coupin, de dégâts constatés. Aucune charge nucléaire.
Amiral, que me vaut l'honneur de votre vie.
À tous, ici Alfost. Nous avons été pris au piège. J'ai eu l'ordre de tirer un missile nucléaire sur la Russie. Si ce missile part, les Russes ripostent. Je ne vous fais pas de dessin. D'empêcher Grandchamp de tirer ce missile.
Rappel au poste de combat.
이제 티타남의 임무는 핵 잠수함을 저지하는 것.
Analyse. Nicasse, c'est la marine nationale, c'est bizarre. Quelqu'un cherche à nous entraver là. Mais on continue sur la séquence.
하지만 핵 잠수함은 원칙상 미사일 발사가 한 번 승인되면 절대 이를 취소할 수 없었죠.
J'ai un très léger renforcement du bruit de fond. Mais aucune information de machine.
À cette distance, il a forcément entendu notre appel. Il doit être prêt à tirer un missile.
Attendez, j'ai plus rien.
Merde! Trouvez le bras, Chantrelle.
Centrale, vous êtes tracteur sous-marin, je sens pas les tubes torpilles.
Vous faites quoi là?
Faut que je parle à Grandchamp.
Quoi, vous allez faire du mort sur la coque et vous pensez que...
Une autre option à proposer à part leur tirer dessus. Je sais ce que je fais. Pour moi aussi, ce sont mes enfants.
Dorcy, bonne chance.
결국 도르시는 직접 핵 잠수함으로 향하고
Dernière chance. Bête, j'ai un bruit très étrange dans le 015.
Un nageur de combat. On l'engage.
Commandant.
Torpille pareil. Engagez le Titan.
그렇게 도르시는 최후를 맞이하죠. 어뢰의 여파로 티타늄에 화재가 발생하고
Je n'en arrive pas à contrôler le feu entre torpille. À votre initiative, second.
Pareil pour l'entrée des codes présidentiels.
Entrée des codes présidentiels.
Saisie validée.
핵미사일 발사를 위한 모든 절차가 마무리되죠.
Allez. Silence.
티타늄은 결국 핵 잠수함에 어뢰를 발사하고
Alerte torpille. Tiré par le Titan. Commandant, il faut virer de bord. La torpille est filo guidée par le Titan. Cassez son fil, lancez une torpille. Feu sur le Titan.
맞대응을 선택한 핵 잠수함.
Alerte torpille. Droit sur nous à 900 mètres. Du calme, on s'y attendait. Une rupture fil, bouge pas. Le Titan ne dérobe pas. Mettez vos masques. Mettez vos masques. Monsieur, ça a été un honneur de naviguer avec vous. On va y arriver.
Commandant, la torpille vient droit sur nous.
Terre les sonars, on fait la tombe. Il a disparu. Il va réapparaître là. J'adopte. Chassez de l'air, on fait une deuxième cible.
핵 잠수함은 엄청난 컨트롤로 어뢰를 겨우 피해내지만 티타늄은 직격으로 어뢰를 맞고 말죠.
Et survivant. Quelqu'un.
Centrale ici, seconde au milieu. Commandant, vous me recevez?
Remontez. On lance d'abord le missile. Monoxyde.
핵 잠수함도 폭발의 여파로 산소가 새기 시작하고
Commandant, c'est Chantraine qui vous parle.
샹트레드는 핵 잠수함에게 마지막 메시지를 전달하죠.
Donnez-la-moi une dernière fois. Je vous en prie, ne lancez pas de missiles. Ce serait une terrible erreur, croyez-moi. J'entends le chant du loup.
결국 그랑샹은 핵 미사일 발사를 취소하고 산소 부족으로 사망하는 그랑샹.
Allez, à vous, amiral. Non, on va vous sortir de là. Je sais, équipez-vous. Par contre, vos oreilles vont prendre. Vous pouvez oublier vos dindons. Allez, là-dedans.
제독은 자신을 희생해 샹트레드를 살리죠. 샹트레드는 기적적으로 살아남지만 고막에 큰 손상을 입죠. 지금까지 영화 울프콜이었습니다. 평화로운 어느 날
Did you hear that? People look like they're clawing at themselves.
무슨 일이 생긴 듯한데
Claire, you seeing this? Claire?
갑자기 스스로를 해치는 여자. 이곳에도 사고가 일어나고
Medic, we have a major accident at the south side of the building.
David?
사람들이 스스로의 목숨을 포기하고 말죠.
Honeybees are disappearing all over the country. Sign of them, they're just mysteriously gone. The Dark Lord, don't look into her eyes. The administration makes us teach with a foot of snow on it.
There appears to be an event happened, just hit by what seems to be a terrorist attack. Airborne chemical toxin that's been released in and around the park. For warning signs, confused speech, physical disorientation. He said we should dismiss the students.
바로 하교하는 학생들.
Did you hear about New York? You okay? Julian's mom offered for all of us to get out of the city and stay with her. What do you think? Julian, Velma's acting weird. Just be cool, okay?
What's going on?
She's acting odd. Just don't worry about it, okay? Are you packed?
Yes.
화학교사 엘리엇은 부인 알마와 친구 어머니 집으로 떠나려는데
This just into the eyewitness newsroom, and he's on the first victim's confirmed natural compound.
Hey, Julian.
I bought them Cabbage Patch dolls when they first came out.
Chilly, isn't it today, Sal?
Maybe a little.
그때 도심에서 또 의문의 사태가 발생하죠.
What's the news?
Apparently Philadelphia was just attacked.
Honey, yeah, where are you? What? I can't hear you.
They think it started in Rittenhouse Square Park.
Hey, she got on a bus going to New Jersey.
You okay?
They say Boston got hit too.
기차가 갑자기 멈추고
Sir?
Been discontinued. This will be the last stop for all passengers.
Would you just stop? You can't just leave us here.
We lost contact.
With whom?
Everyone.
Oh my God, look at this. Taken an hour ago at the Philadelphia Zoo.
이상한 일은 점점 퍼지고 있었죠.
What kind of terrorists are these?
They're not sure it's terrorists now.
The event appears to be limited to the north. Smaller towns are being attacked.
Where are we? Dead center.
엘리엇 일행도 위험한 상태.
If we stay here, we are gonna die here.
Let's go.
Excuse me, sir? Sir, can we get a ride, please? Transportation, we're stuck here. Sir!
Can you believe how crappy people are? There's a car.
We have two others.
That's okay.
Elliot, I can't get a vet on the phone or email or nothing. There's a car over there headed to pick up friends and family. I need you to take Jess. It's gonna be a lot safer with you. I wanna go get mommy.
엘리엇의 친구는 딸을 맡긴 뒤 부인에게 향하죠.
Hey, take a look around. Be ready in a jiffy.
We're packing hot dogs for the road. By the way, I think I know what's causing this. It's the plants.
Plants react to human stimuli. They proved it in tests.
끔찍한 광경이 펼쳐지고
Close the vents.
엘리엇의 친구도 결국 당하고 말죠.
Water contamination is served. As to the cause of the event,
Stop the car.
시체를 발견한 엘리엇.
Oh, we have to turn around. Turn about a quarter of a mile back.
Oh, it's the army. We're safe.
my name is Private Oster. I'm stationed at West Dover Mill. Unaffected by whatever's happening. I lost communication. Just no one take that road.
Behind us, there were bodies on the road into town.
Well, that still leaves us two directions.
I'll talk to them.
I can't get Julian on his cell phone.
It's the same story. About 8-9 miles back.
5 miles back. Dozens of bodies.
사방이 막힌 상태.
There's a woman talking to her daughter at Princeton. Isn't that where your friend went?
She's so scared.
Tell her not to go near the window with the tree.
Baby, don't go near the window with the tree.
Winston's been affected.
She says everyone's dead outside. Honey, I don't understand what you're saying. She's just not making it.
Calculus. I see calculus.
실시간으로 죽어가는 사람들의 가족들.
Elliot's resilient, isn't he?
Yeah, he never gives up.
No, plants have the ability to target specific plants. When attacked by Heliothus caterpillars, a chemical attracting wasps. So just those caterpillars.
I think it's doing it if you think it's true.
The radio says these attacks started, then went to the towns, and now the road.
To smaller and smaller populations.
We're in the area of attack. We need to go where there aren't that many people.
West, we'll hit a county called Arundel.
There's no significant population there.
무리지어 이동하는 사람들.
Your phone's out too? What's wrong?
There was this guy
Joey. We went out and we had dessert. I told you I worked late and I didn't work late. Guilty in case we're gonna die. I just wanted you to know that.
You lied to me.
알마는 이 와중에 불필요한 고백을 하는데
My firearm is my friend!
Private Oster!
결국 이곳에도 이상 현상이 시작되고
No.
People killing themselves?
Maybe people are setting off the plants? What if they're targeting us as threats? Let's just stay ahead of the wind.
엘리엇은 바람을 피해야 한다는 결론을 도출하죠.
Here it comes!
목숨을 건진 엘리엇 일행.
Nothing happened. It's the size of the groups.
Wait!
Why aren't they looking into nuclear power? Probably been some leak or something.
Plants have a chemistry to do this. Sport is into the air. That must be Erndale, 10 miles from here. My name is Elliot Moore. I'm going to talk in a very positive manner. Plastic.
Hey, everything's fake.
There's too many of them together.
이상 현상은 인구 밀집 지역에서만 일어나는 듯 했죠.
I see something. Somebody in there.
Any way we could get some food? We have a little girl. We just want to get her some food. Open the door, bitch! Hey, Josh, don't do that.
Get in. No!
아이들을 살해하는 미친 집주인.
Those residents that are still in the affected area of the Northeast.
The event should be at its most sensitive tomorrow. Typically, these type of slopes drop precipitous. It could end suddenly, at any moment.
That's for Clement. He's a retriever.
이들은 다행히 한 집을 발견하고
Wasn't expecting guests. It has a speaking tube running under the ground. Touch things that aren't yours.
어딘가 이상한 할머니.
You have a radio, Mrs. Jones?
I got enough to fill my time right here.
How would you know if something were to happen?
Mrs. Jones, things happen along the east.
Just keep it to yourself. The world don't care about me, care about it. Guest room's up on the left.
I'm scared, Elliot.
It's okay.
There's something exorcisty. How could she hit Chesley?
We need to stay in this house.
I hear you whispering, planning on stealing.
No, ma'am, we're not.
Plan on murdering me and my.
What? No.
갑자기 장르가 공포 영화로 바뀌는데
Mrs. Jones?
You trying to steal my things? You all are gonna leave right now.
Ma'am.
본색을 드러내는 할머니.
Mrs. Jones, could we talk calmly for a second? I'm a teacher.
그때 이곳에도 이상 현상이 찾아오고
Oh my God.
Alma, shut the windows and the doors! Alma!
알마와 제스는 어디 간 걸까요?
Alma? Jess?
오두막에 있던 두 사람.
Get him again. Get him again.
Alma!
Morning, Elliot. Sounds like you're right here.
Close the windows and the doors, Alma.
Why?
Mrs. Jones just died. Close the windows.
Close the door, Jess.
What's happening here?
I wish you were here.
Remember our first date?
You bought me the mood ring.
It turned purple when you wore it.
And you said, means you're in love. And then we checked the little purple meant I was horny. Love that.
I have no idea.
What color was love?
I don't remember.
Me neither. Elliot, just making sure you're there.
It's not right for it to end like you're gonna die. I want to be with you.
Elliot, don't.
결국 엘리엇은 두 사람에게 향하죠. 함께 치유를 맞이하려는 세 사람. 그런데 이상현상은 이미 끝나버렸고
The event must have ended before we went out there.
세 달이란 시간이 흐르죠.
Want to be late for the first day schools are open?
I love you.
I love you too.
Now, traces of the neurotoxin have been found in some plant. Environmentalists feel that this event is like the red tide killing fish. This happened on land.
Doctor, there's been a lot that's happened in the Northeast only.
This was a prelude, like the first spot of a rash. Become a threat to this planet.
아직도 정확한 원인은 밝혀지지 않은 채 아이를 임신한 알마.
Je devrais amener mon vélo à l'appartement avant d'aller travailler.
Viens à la fête de Nadia ce soir?
Je devrais amener mon vélo à l'appartement avant d'aller travailler.
Putain, ça m'a fait peur.
Je devrais amener mon vélo.
그때 또 이상현상이 발생하며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 영화 더 해프닝이었습니다. 영상 재밌게 보셨나요? 영상 재밌으셨다면 구독과 좋아요 꼭 부탁드리고요. 짧은 리뷰 형식의 특성상 생략된 에피소드가 많으니 꼭 풀버전 감상을 추천드립니다. 그럼 저는 더 재밌는 영화로 돌아오겠습니다.